In the expansion of the coefficient of x is 7, find the value of the constant and hence find the coefficient of x square. Given is coefficient of x, there is no power means 1 in this expansion. 3 minus 2x bracket 1 plus x by 2 power n. Okay, now in this expansion, coefficient of x power 1 is 7 given. We need to find the value of the constant n. It's given coefficient of x power 1. From this, we also should find coefficient of x power 1. Equate that to 7, simplify to get the value of n. Clear? Given is coefficient of x power 1 equal to 7. From this, we also should find coefficient of x power 1. Equate both, will get the value of n. Okay, now how do we find that? See. Here the power is 1, so it will not undergo any change. Here the power is n. I get many terms in this expansion. I don't need all the terms. What all terms do I need? I need only those terms that result in getting x power 1. And how do I decide that? Depending on this. Here it is 3. 3 should be multiplied with x power 1. Then only I get x power 1. And here it is x power 1, so this should be multiplied with x power 0. Then only I get x power 1. Clear now? In this bracket, I need to find coefficient of x power 1 and x power 0. And how do we find that? To find any coefficient, you need to write the general term first. General term formula is NCR x power r y power n minus r. N is the power, x is inside the bracket, the x term will be taken for x and the left out should be taken for y. Replace them in this. So that is NCR, in place of x it is x by 2. In place of y it is 1. Simplify this to the maximum extent. So this is NCR x power r by 2 power r. 1 power anything is 1. So whether you write or don't write, it doesn't make any difference. So I am not writing. Next. Write x at last. So this is nothing but NCR by 2 power r x power r. So general term cannot be simplified further, so I stop there. Now, I need coefficient of x power 1 and here I have x power r. Equate both the powers of x. That will give us r value to be 1. Replace r equal to 1 in this. So that will be NC1 by 2 power 1 x power 1. NC1 is n man and 2 and x will remain like that only. So coefficient of x power 1 is n by 2. Okay, now to get coefficient of x power 0, here it is x power 0 and here it is x power r. Equate both the powers of x to get the value of r. So r equal to 0. Replace r equal to 0 in this. So that will be NC0 by 2 power 0 x power 0. This entire thing is 1. So coefficient of x power 0 is 1. Okay, now multiply 3 times n by 2 will be 3n by 2. Minus 2 times plus 1 is minus 2. Take x power 1 common. now. Coefficient of x power 1 he told us to be 7 and we got coefficient of x power 1 to be this. Both have to be equal, so equate both. So 3n by 2 minus 2 equal to 7. Now add 2 on both sides. Nine. Now multiply by 2. Now divide by 3. So we got n. So we got n value to be 6. Okay. And hence find the coefficient of x square. So in this we should also find the coefficient of x square. Now this bracket has got the power 1, so it will not undergo any change. Here the power is 6. So now I get many terms in this expansion. I don't need to write all the terms in that expansion. I write only those terms which will result in getting x square. Now how do we decide that? Based on this. 3 should be multiplied with x square. Only then it will result in x square. Here x power 1 should be multiplied with x power 1, only then resulting in x square. Clear? Now, so in this bracket I need to find coefficient of x power 2 and x power 1. For this bracket the general term is this one. Okay. Now, to get coefficient, here x power 2 I want and here x power r. Equate both the powers of x to get the value of r. So r equal to 2. Replace r equal to 2 in this. What will I get? And n equal to 6. So 6c2 by 2 power 2 x power 2. 6c2 is 15. So 15 by 4 x square. Here. Okay. Now, to get coefficient of x power 1 we have already found. Coefficient of x power 1 is n by 2. N is 6, so 6 by 2 is 3. So write that here. Did you understand till here? Next. So 3 times 15 by 4 is 45 by 4. Minus 2 into plus 3 is minus 6. Take x square common. So 45 by 4 minus 6 x square. Put this bracket in the calculator. You get the answer to be 21 by 4 x square. So coefficient of x square is 21 by 4. This is our answer. Okay.